Hello and welcome to Long Investor. In this video, I'm just going to do a quick update on the Reliance price and how the chart is looking at the moment. If you have not watched my previous video, I have explained in details on the potential target of Reliance if it happens to squeeze, so you can also check that out if you have not yet watched that video. It is January 13, 4:10 p.m. at the moment and the market has just been closed. And when I did the previous video, it was 2 days ago, so we were around here. And back then, I said that Reliance is more likely to have some sort of consolidation for the next 2 days, which is sort of happened. And I have also said that since it will consolidate within this range, you could look for a $7.5 entrance, which it would have been hit and you're currently up by a little bit. So just to be clear, my target for 13 to 37, that will only happen if the price manages to stay above the 7.5 level. If it manages to stay at this level, then the short interest fee will keep getting higher. And people who have shorted this stock will be losing money day by day, and sooner or later they will have to cover their short or their shares. And when that happens, that's when you can see the one up. And by the time that it's going up, and depending on how many people are FOMOing in at that moment, that's where the 13 to 37 range will comes in. But if touch wood, by any chance that it did not get the one up that we were hoping for and it started to drop, and the shorters can cover their short at a lower price, then the 13 to 37 target will not happen. Again, this is in our chart, and for the past 2 days, it has been trading, hitting the support, and then it broke out the downtrend by a little bit, but it couldn't get supported, and it got back down again, have a little false break of the support. And in the last 2 hours, we have seen a big green candle going up, breaking the downtrend, and then we have a retest of the downtrend and get supported and going back up by a little bit. And momentum wise, the MACD and the RSI are in line with the stock price. There isn't any bullish or bearish divergence showing yet. And as for the volume, is also somewhat in the consolidation state. There's no spike of volume on red or green volume at the moment. And if you take a look at the Bollinger Band, it's the indicator for overbought or oversold. The wide gap that you see for the past week has been closing down, and right now we are closing to a tight gap. So things are cooling down at the moment, and it is usually a sign for more consolidation before a breakout, either up or down again. So that's the chart, and if you look at the short interest fee, again, this is only from Interactive Broker. Last time we were in here, there were 15,000 shares left to short, and the interest fee is 212%. And currently, there are more shares that's shorted, so there's only 4,000 shares left, and the fee has increased by 30%. So the increase of interest fee is causing them more and more to hold every day. So the interest fee got higher and the available shares to short is lower, so which is a good sign. So for the next few days, if we can manage to stay away from the support line and kind of have a consolidation around this area, it would be a better sign. But if we are to keep testing the support, it's usually a bad sign that it might break and continue to go down. And if it does drop, I would like to plan ahead instead of panic selling when I see it dropping. So I'll be placing a few scenarios of what to do if that happens. Well, they may not happen, but I'm just saying if it happens, then that's what I'm planning to do. So first, if you have bought it in 7.5, if it drops below, the next support would be at 6.2. And you might see a little bit of rebounds from 6.2. So if you have it at 7.5 and 6.2, your average would be at 6.8 right now. So at the rebound, you can choose to sell everything, or you can choose to sell half and keep your original shares but at a lower price. But if it continues to drop after you bought in at 6.2, I would set a cut loss at around 5.5. And after you cut loss, you can either take the loss and just walk away from this stock, or if you want to revenge on the stock, I know some people do, you could wait and see if the stock will drop to and fill this gap at around $2.8 to $3. And when that happens, the shorters will probably return their shares, and you might have a nice run up or rebound from the $3 area. And so if you buy it in here, you can probably make some money off it, or make some money that's enough to cover your loss money that you lost from here. So yeah, this is all I wanted to share today, and please subscribe, comments, and good luck on the trade, and I'll see you guys next time.